If your home feels heavy, even if you don't know why, try this today. Fill a glass with water and add coarse salt. Don't overthink it. Just place it somewhere you won't really notice it. Not everything that builds up in your home is visible, but you can feel it. Sometimes it's arguments, exhaustion, thoughts, and it stays. This is simple, but it's a decision to stop carrying what you no longer need. Leave it overnight.
Tomorrow, look at it and throw it away. Today, you release. And if you need to cleanse more than just your space, this channel will guide you.